Hey guys, this is Musa from EFTC Online. I hope you are doing amazing, and me too. Okay, so I'm just taking my daily walking, and you should work every day because it's really make your health really great. Look, we all need to make money. We all need something called like a prosper life, something called like you need to be wealthy. But trust me, my friend, there is nothing better than your health is wealthy as much as your health. So every day you need to take care of your health. I want you guys, we will be good entrepreneur for sure, but being a good entrepreneur, it's also needed to take care of yourself, to take care of your health. And health is very important. If you are sick, for example, you are making six-figure incomes, maybe you are earning like 10 figures income. I got a client yesterday, he's earning 7 figures e-commerce business. Every day he's earning, I mean every month he's earning. But look, what I just wanted to make you understand, health is the best wealth. And I just realized that I got some health issues. I got overweight because I keep working every day like 12 hours, and then I got overweight. And my doctor told me, look, if you want to live well, you need to reduce your weight and you need to have a healthy life. And then I decided to take walk every day, and I take my walk every day. This is a park. It's in my country. Good. I mean, if you're in Dhaka, you will see the park name is Ramna. We say it Ramna. It's a really good park for walking, and I do it every day. Why? The reason I'm telling this to you, because it's very, very important. Don't just focus don't just focus on money. You need to take care of your health, and for doing that, it's 100% recommend like you do daily walking. It not to be like just walk every day like 30 to 35 minutes in a good rest, in a good pace, and then you will be happy, then you will be healthy. And don't forget to intake a lot of water, because water is playing the most important role in your body. So take at least 3 liter water every day. Walk every day 30 to 40 minutes. It's good for health. Do it, try to keep it every day. And always, please, have a healthy eatings, because if you are eating too much oily food, it will definitely kill you in silently. You don't even know that you are getting killed. So my recommendation, while you are earning money, while you are it's energy, see? Anyway, while you are actually doing your business, take care of your health as well, okay? And for doing this, walk every day 30 to 40 minutes with the rest like this. I used to do these ways, but now I'm just doing my video, so just doing standard walking. Then intake at least 3 liters of water. It's really needed. You must do this. And yeah, and have a healthy food, vegetables, chickens, whatever you do. And don't try to get too much carbohydrate, because it will kill your health. Take carbohydrate, you can take it, but it has to be in a moderate way. I recommend after 30, try to quit carbohydrate. Take protein, take enough, not enough like take enough protein is good, because it will converse. I'll do another video how actually health function works. You may be surprised that why I'm doing this, because look guys, health is very important. There is nothing better like anything like your health. If you're sick, nothing is worthy. So take care of yourself, okay? And yeah, if you have any questions, please don't forget to comment me below. I'll definitely get back to you, and I'll do my best to give every day life training, life coaching, so we can change our life and lead our life what we want to be. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video very soon. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you really like it. Give me a thumbs up, and If you really think that my channel is really helping you a lot, don't forget to share it with your friends and family, okay? All right, guys, love you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.